Hello guys, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. USD CAD. I will talk about this market, about this currency pair after this massive sell-off. Personally, I'm looking for potential longs, and I'm hunting potential longs. Here is the disclaimer. Please read it. And personally, I will take a look here. USD CAD, massive sell-off. Okay, here on 1 hour. One moment, because I will add Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and you can see that right now the price challenges a 50% retracement level. Okay, and it has registered only a false breakdown below it, and right now it tries to rebound as the dollar index turned into the upside after its massive sell-off, after its correction. So 50% retracement level right now here as a downside obstacle, as static support level. It remains to see if the price stabilizes above it. And also, personally, I have here a demand zone. The price is located inside of this demand zone. 1.3376 stands as a potential downside obstacle, and after this massive sell-off, a strong downwards movement, we cannot exclude for potential rebounds. We cannot exclude potential rally here in the short term. Okay, so. And that's why personally I want and I need confirmation here, because a bullish pattern here inside of this demand zone above 1.3376, stabilizing above the 50% retracement level and developing a bullish pattern here could announce a potential rebound. That's why right now the downside pressure remains high, guys, because today US economic data mixed. The US economic data, housing starts worse than expected, building permits better than expected, and but the Canadian consumer price index signaled a 0.4% growth, okay, versus only a 0.2 expected, but less compared to the 0.6 growth reported in the previous reporting period. Higher than expected inflation, and that's why we had a massive sell-off. But unfortunately, the price failed to confirm this pin bar here sell-off. But as I said, it could still develop here in the short term a bullish pattern, and then we can maybe I will look for longs. Okay, because after this impressive sell-off, maybe it could try to come back higher. Also, please take a look here, Williams, or if we'll take a look on stochastic or RSI. Will show us an oversold situation, and let's take a look here. Okay, something like this. And that's why I'm looking for maybe for a potential buying opportunity and the long setup. If it stays above 1.3376, if it develops here a bullish pattern, guys, and also lower medium line as a downside obstacle, potential downside obstacle, and if it fails to reach it, it could come back higher towards the medium line. But I need confirmation. I need a high probability setup with a really good risk to reward ratio here inside of this demand zone before looking for longs. But I will come back and I will send my my trade, my new setup into the VIP group. And don't forget that tomorrow, guys, the Federal Reserve could really shake the markets, could change the sentiment. Don't forget to read the disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.